Hello everyone. In order to upload multiple images as a single PDF, we need to merge all your images into one file. So here I'm going to demonstrate a quick and easy method to do that so you're able to upload your report sheets and your notebook record to Top Hat. So what I've already done is taken some images with my phone and placed them on my desktop. I've opened a Word document and I will simply click and drag those images into the Word document. The Word document will let you rotate the images in case they don't appear correct. So here I have 3 images. I'm going to add them all to the Word document. Please do make sure that your images are legible. And once the images are added, we need to save this file as a PDF because that is one of the allowed file upload types. I want to save this file to my PC, and the file type is going to be a PDF. I can name it whatever I'd like. And click Save. You will then have a single PDF file with the images of your report sheet or your lab notebook that you can then upload to the Top Hat website.